So at the same time I started as a feeder up, I took on I don't know, 7 acres or something of land by my home, and I had about 15 Welsh sheep, and that's how I started. Little bits of land came up here and there, and I just took them on, and then I'm trying to think what year, probably 2010. A larger block of land, 100 acres, came up next door to my uncle. But the landlords claiming the single farm and organic as well, or the organic payment. So it was just grazing let. So I took that on and kind of built up my stock numbers and equipment, quad and trailer and things. I think it was 2013 I took part in the Ag Academy, same year. I think it was the second year it was running, the same year as Llyr. And yeah, that gave me confidence when this came up to try for it. So Tregravel here is 530 acres, but majority of it is hill. It's 290 acres of hill.